In this short video, we'll be discussing past gerunds. We'll start by discussing the form of a past gerund, which is pretty simple. We start with having plus the verb in its past participle form. So for example, having eaten, having seen, having analyzed, not having finished. So you can see that it kind of looks like present perfect, but we have the have and then we add ing and then the verb in its past participle form. And when we want to make a past gerund negative, we just add the not in front of having. What's more important with past gerunds is the meaning. So past gerunds have a meaning similar to a verb with perfect aspect, which is before some time, like as in past perfect or present perfect. In many cases, there's no difference in meaning between a simple gerund and a past gerund. For example, we look at the sentence, the student regrets not studying for the exam last week, versus the student regrets not having studied for the exam last week. So in these two sentences, the meaning is pretty much the same, whether we use the simple gerund, not studying, or the past gerund, not having studied. However, in some cases, there is a difference in meaning. If we look at the sentence, the students were angry about not being told that the test would be tomorrow. The meaning here is, in general, the students were angry because they were not told about the test, maybe by the teacher. The second sentence with the past gerund says the students were angry about not having been told that the test would be tomorrow. So the meaning is slightly different. In this case, not being told in the past or earlier than they were told is what made the students angry. So there's a slight difference. Lastly, sometimes it's not possible to use a past gerund in a sentence, but it depends on, for example, the verb or preposition combination that it's following. So in the first sentence, we have the students are concerned about taking the test next week. So we use a simple gerund here. But in the next sentence, which is incorrect, we have the students are concerned about having taken the test next week. So you can see that here we're talking about taking a test in the future. So we can't use a past gerund here because the meaning will be completely unclear. So that's just a little bit about past gerunds. Thanks for watching.